Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I've got a custom doll Halloween video for you. Kelly of Sky Pie Blythe sculpts many of her custom Blythes with horns. She recently gifted me this beautiful custom Demon Blythe doll. You can see her full unboxing in this video here. Sculpting on horns was something I really wanted to try out too, so today that's what I'll do. I've been saving this Middie to customize for myself. She was also a gift from my first commissioned doll customer, Ted. I'll work out how I want to attach and style the horns and sketch out a concept. But as I'm sure you can hear in my voice, I'm not well at the moment. I'll try to keep the voiceover minimal, and I apologise if I'm not as clear as usual. But the show must go on, and I do hope you'll enjoy her transformation. Her concept takes inspiration from kudu horns, and I'll use screws and bolts to anchor the Milliput modelling compound to her faceplate. I've smoothed the clay with water and will now leave it overnight to cure and become hard. While I wait, I'll have some pumpkin spice tea and make a start on her red dress. I use my long sleeve top pattern, available for free at bethramsden.com, as a base for her dress. I add extra length to the sleeves and will combine different fabrics for the skirt, as well as a felt collar and decorative bib-style front. I use partial lining to secure the neck and back opening before hemming the sleeves and closing in the sides. I will shorten the bodice to accommodate my skirt layers. I sew on gathered ruffles and build up several layers of gathers to create a fuller skirt. I then attach the skirt to the waistband piece I attached before, and will save the full dress reveal for later. The next day, I'm able to Dremel some more detail into my horns. I experiment with different bits until I'm happy with it. After some light sanding, I can sand away the existing face paint and prepare for the face-up. I rediscovered some old lino cutting tools and wondered if they'd work for face carving. The handles are very comfortable, and yes, they cut the plastic very well. I draw on some guidelines and set about carving her some more unique features. I've given her a little smile and some cute cheek dimples too, because although she may appear demonic, I want her to also be able to fit in with a more natural and woodland or fairy tale aesthetic as well. My collection of pan pastels has grown yet again. I found and bought 12 pans from a local charity shop, an amazing find. I set about layering on her face colours. I blend the horns in a little before painting them fully with simple acrylic paints. Once softened with some dry brushing, I'm ready to add her eyebrows using various watercolour pencils. Here's her face nearly completed. She just needs gloss varnish on her lips and waterline. Her backplate, I've decided to name her Pumpkin, both for her gorgeous bright orange-red hair and for the season. I'm trying out water slide nail decals here, along with my own hand-drawn pumpkin design. Her eyelids just need lashes stuck in, these lighter brown ones cut from a longer strip. And also her eye chips. I want to try recolouring an existing pair using paint pens. These eyes are the standard grey that I always get from AliExpress. They're translucent, so should be easily coloured from the back. Once fully dry, they push back into the iMech. And yes, I'm really happy with how they turned out. A mixture of purplish red and bright red. What do you think? She's almost complete and just needs a bit of a haircut before she gets dressed. It always looks like a lot has been removed, but with a little hair gel and cling film to set her fringe, she's ready. Here's her red outfit. I made her underskirt from lace fabric left over from when I made my own wedding dress 14 years ago. The lace is gathered into a red tulle waistband, simply threaded with elastic. And her dress, with slight tuxedo vibes, I think, I finished it off with antiqued buttons and some key and leaf charms at the hip. The majority of her skirt is also made from my wedding dress remnants. I'm glad that I can include these elements, especially as our wedding anniversary is this month too. I think it looks really cool, and looked out some Barbie doll shoes for her to wear too. I recently made this little midi dress, which it turns out will also be perfect for her. So let's style up an alternate outfit with one of my sweet acorn bags and a crocheted acorn style hat too. Watch out for these being listed for sale at bethramsden.com in the near future. Let's unveil her hair and get her all dressed up in her first outfit. I've gone with the red shoes for this dress. Doesn't she look great? I scrunched her sleeves and pressed in the creases with the iron. Oh, one more shameless plug. I'll set her up on one of our new midi-sized doll stands. 3D printed and very popular at BlytheCon. We also made neo and petite sizes. Again, watch the website for these soon. What do you think of Pumpkin? I'm so pleased to have her customised at last. I love this Halloween-styled girl. Stick around to see how different she looks in her alternate outfit too. Let me give a quick shout out to my patrons. And thank you all for your support. Every view, comment and like is deeply appreciated. Okay, let's see her in her second outfit with her cute accessories. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a fun Halloween if you celebrate it. Hopefully I'll be feeling all better by the time you're watching too. Leave me some nice comments please to cheer me up, and take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye!